Your PC suddenly slow? Webcam turned on by itself? You might be getting spied on. Stick with me. In seconds, we'll check if your system's being watched and protect it fast. First, open the Task Manager by pressing Ctrl+Shift+ES. Go to the Processes tab and look for anything you don't recognize or that looks strange. For example, something like random.x or a SV shost using too much CPU. That could be spyware. Copy the name and search it on Google to check if it's safe. Are weird programs running every time you start your PC? Press Windows+R, type. Go to the Startup tab, or check it directly from Task Manager, and disable anything unfamiliar or unnecessary. Spyware often uses your camera or mic without you knowing. Go to Setting, Privacy, Camera and Microphone. Make sure only trusted apps have access. If you see something strange, remove it immediately. Download trusted spyware scanners like. They do deep scans to detect hidden spyware and threats. That's it. Now you know how to check if your PC is being monitored. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips. See you in the next one.